Hello friend, good morning. Standard 6 computer. Okay, in a previous chapter, in a previous topic, previous lectures, we have seen working with Windows 7. Understand? So we have seen taskbar, okay, features of taskbar, libraries, okay, and window media player. Okay, this kind of window media player, VLC. Okay, you can add or remove the video or sound or video. Okay, then working with multiple windows. Okay, you can adjust like there are two sheet. You can working with multiple files, multiple windows like Excel as well as Word. You can use Word and also Excel. Okay, this kind of we have already done. Okay, now we move on Windows Explorer. So what is the Window Explorer? Suppose in this computer PC, okay, so these are the Windows Explorer. Okay, this is the interface. Okay, whichever you are looking here in this section, these all are, okay, these are the Window Explorer. In Window Explorer there are three main sections. The first one is a navigation pane. This one, in the left side you will see the list of programs, okay, list of files and folder. This is navigation pane. Okay, this is what? Navigation pane. This is what? Navigation pane. Okay, search computer. See, you will see the search. If you want to search any file, suppose videos, okay, so you will get the videos like this. Okay, search. If you have video, any document or video file or a video mp3 for mp4 folder, okay, so you will get the list of video option. You can search from here any file. You can search. Suppose I will type any document name, okay, so list. So you will get the list file. If you have any file name of the list, see, you will get the list. There are lots of name of the starting name of the list. File name is a list. So you will get the list of file. So if you this is the save your time. Okay, you can directly search from here. This is the search option. Okay, so you can search from here. Now details. So details means what? Here you will see details, detail options. See, this is the 10 items. Okay, on the start button, above the start button, see, you will see the bottom side, left bottom start button. Okay, in this start button you will see the 10 number of items. Okay, this is your details item. Here you will see your details, any detail, okay, you can see. So this is your complete your Windows Explorer. Okay, you can access this Window Explorer here by clicking click on this PC, double click, so you will get the Window Explorer. Otherwise, second option is the click on start button and go to here all apps, and here you will see the computer option if you have. Okay, then directly you can move on any particular programs. So you will get the list of here program. Okay, list of option you will see. This is also one kind of navigation pane. Okay, so this is the your Window Explorer. Okay, so you can also, this is your File Explorer. See, you will see here File Explorer. Okay, so you can also move from here navigation pane and again to the D drive. Okay, here this PC, so you can get the Windows Explorer. So there are two way, okay, you can use for Window Explorer, and in this Window Explorer there are three options. This one is a navigation pane, this one is a search box, and this one is a detailed all the details, okay, for your files or folders. Okay, there are 10 items in this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this is the 10 item. One is a selected, the volume D, new volume D is a selected. Okay, so one is a selected. So this is your Windows Explorer. Now recycle bin. So in a recycle bin, so this is our recycle bin. Okay, here you will get all the deleted item from your personal folder, from your any particular drive or folders. Okay, you will get the deleted item. If you want again you want to use deleted item, so you can use from here like restore option. Okay, click on any video, okay, and here restore option, right click on this particular video or particular file, so you will get the restore options. Understand? So this is restore option. This file will move from this recycle bin to particular location for your first location. Okay, so you will get this kind of file, and before you deleted the where file was there. Okay, so this file will again shifted from here to there. Understand? So now this is our recycle bin. But remember one thing, if you deleted all file from here recycle bin, so you can't access again this deleted file. Okay, this will permanently delete from here in this recycle bin. So be careful from deleted from this recycle bin. Okay, if you deleted from your file or folder, so that is moved from there to here recycle bin. Okay, here recycle bin. But if you delete from here, then you will not getting again. Okay, so be remember this, or be careful for delete from here in recycle bin. You can restore here from here, okay, again, or use again. So but don't delete from here. If you need some more space, then or some unnecessary file here in recycle bin, then you can delete the recycle bin. But if you have important some file, so don't delete from the recycle bin. Okay, so this is our recycle bin. Empty recycle bin option. There are two options. Okay, you can use from here like restore and delete option. Okay, and here click on recycle bin option and right click, so empty recycle bin option. If you click here, so no need to go inside. Okay, you can directly recycle bin empty. Okay, you can do directly recycle bin empty. So all the files in the recycle bin will be deleted. Understand? So here you will get the option, but when you delete the file from recycle bin, first check the important file and non-important file. Okay, then you delete direct. Don't use this option direct or empty recycle bin. Okay, because what will happen, this is the if you have important file, so important file will be also deleted. So this is the very harmful for us. Okay, so don't use this kind of option empty recycle bin, because when you click on this option, so you will recycle in your recycle bin will be completely remove all the file. Okay, so be careful for this option. Okay, so our first chapter here we going to over. Okay, working with Windows 7. If you have any doubt about any topic, so you can ask me anytime, and I will send you question your filling the blanks. Okay, your exercise all the, and no need to write the question answer. Okay, question answer is not important. No need to write question answer. Okay, we are only writing the filling the blanks. Match the following true, false, and MCQ. Okay, so here this chapter first is over. So thank you and Jai Swaminarayan.